Yo, stock bros. Hope everybody's having a good day. This here is our newest member on the team. Yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about a couple things today. So let's just get straight into this. First one actually, we were just playing around on Adobe, and we basically got a kind of an idea of a stock bros. I'm still working on some other like logo stuff, but anyway, I have to figure out how to I'll implement this on YouTube. Oh, baby. Mwah. How to implement all of this on YouTube, but not happy.
I know he's happy.
He's happy? Okay.
He's just curious.
All right. So, okay. What we're talking about today is ticker symbol PLTR. PLTR. So, a lot of people were in huge expectations of what was going to happen to the stock coming today because it was earnings day, and as we can look, it got very rejected. So what can we look for? Yesterday on our Discord group, we were talking about if the price does come to the SMA line on the 180-day chart 4 hour and stabilizes there, it could indicate a nice potential purchase point, as the SMA is acting like a nice resistance. Oh my gosh, it's is it not that happy anymore? Okay. Let's go with mom. Let's go with mom. Yeah, so here it is. The prices, that's where exactly where it is. It has been getting quite rejected today. As we can see, it had drops of close to 15%, or actually even higher from the time that it opened on pre-market. But so what happened? Why was the earnings so bad? So one thing that we can do, we're using the TOS platform. This is the Canadian side. So on the bottom right, we can just click on live news. And under live news, we have a section here which will present all the news relating to this company. So for example, so we can just go Palantir stock slide on mixed fourth quarter results. So if we were to double click, yeah, we would basically see what happened here. So just pull this up a little bit higher. So I read this quickly. But this here is what happened. So Palantir, ticker PLTR, posted revenues of 322 million for the quarter. So basically they're up 40% from a year ago. So they're doing so well. Like they're doing absolutely so well compared to last year. Keep in mind that the shares of last year were significantly lower too. And well ahead of the street consensus at $300.7 million. So the company reported a non-GAAP profit, and if we were to know what GAAP profit is, let's just go Investopedia uses quite a bit. So GAAP is the generally accepted accounting principles. It is the standardized set of principles that public and companies in the US must follow. Of 6 cents per share. So the company was reporting to have 6 cents per share on the profit side, which the street consensus was just about 2 cents. However, the actual GAAP basis, the company lost about 8 cents per share. So that was actually negative for the company. And so it feels mixed, or maybe perhaps this is what they're talking about being a mixed fourth quarter result. Perhaps because they did excel their profits, but the shareholder actually was down 8 cents per share. So if we were to exit, that's exactly what's happening here, and we're just reaching the lowest lows that we had for the day during pre-market. And so what I'll be watching for is what happens during the day. Is this just a dip by opportunity that some people were mixed and basically we're exchanging who owns part of the company? Or is this going to keep perhaps making lower lows? So if we were to go on the 180-day chart 4 hours, we can see that we're bordering that SMA line. So previously here, when we were just bordering the SMA line 2, it did go below. It did go below several times, but it's still bordering the SMA. So what we're doing here is exactly the same. If we were to pick up a few percent on the day still, that could be a huge bonus. And so what I'll be doing is I'll be watching intraday, and if the opportunity presents, the price does stabilize so I can have a clear entry and exit positions, then that's what we're gonna be doing. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this super short video on PLTR. And anyway, this is my game plan. RSI is looking on the oversold side. MACD is exceedingly extended on the bottom chart. Basically, if the price was to stabilize, this will look very good, I believe. Wall Street Bats was talking quite a bit about this. There's several people severely invested into this company, and it is something that definitely looking forward for the future. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this and see you next time. See ya.